Can sprouted potatoes be used for cooking?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're discussing a topic that arises often in home kitchens. Can you still cook with sprouted potatoes? Let's dive into it and find out.
What happens when potatoes sprout?
When a potato sprouts, it's actually trying to grow into a new potato plant. During this process, the potato starts to convert its starches into sugars and other nutrients to support the growth of the sprouts. This can result in a potato that's softer and sweeter than you'd expect. Furthermore, the potato begins to produce solanine and chiconine, two types of glycol colloids, which can be toxic to humans if consumed in large quantities. These compounds are usually concentrated in the sprouts and the green parts of the potato.
Can you cook and eat sprouted potatoes?
The answer to this question is yes, but with caution. Firstly, you should remove the sprouts and any green parts of the potato. These are the areas where harmful glycol colloids are most concentrated. Secondly, take note of the texture of the potato. If it's firm after you've removed the sprouts, it's usually safe to eat. However, if the potato is very soft or shriveled, it's best to toss it out as the texture won't be pleasant and the nutrient content would have significantly dropped. Remember, even after removing sprouts and green parts, small amounts of glycol colloids may still be present in the potato. Consuming sprouted potatoes in moderation is likely safe for most people, but those with compromised immune systems or sensitivities may want to avoid them.
What are the risks of consuming sprouted potatoes?
While the risk is relatively low if you've removed the sprouts and green parts, consuming too many sprouted potatoes could lead to glycol colloid poisoning. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and in severe cases, neurological issues. However, you'd have to consume quite a large quantity of sprouted potatoes for this to happen. So, sprouted potatoes can indeed be used for cooking, but it's important to remove the sprouts and any green parts first. And if the potato is excessively soft or shriveled, it's better to just throw it away. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this has been enlightening and will help you make informed choices in your kitchen.